The PA Performance Starter is a good choice for any 99 to 09 4.6 or 5.4 liter F-150 owner who's looking to upgrade their burned out factory starter to get one that gets their F-150 up and running right away without hesitation. Now this is a 100% brand new complete solenoid and motor combo, not a remanufactured one, and you can get it for just about 130 bucks. The installation is a bit tricky. It's really not hard, it's just an awkward position that takes a bit of research and patience to get to. With that said, I'm giving it a softer 2 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. After up to 20 years, your factory starter is bound to give out eventually. They last a pretty long time, I'll give them that, but it's inevitable that you'll need to replace it sooner or later. Now there are some telltale signs that you're dealing with a bad starter. The most obvious is the truck won't start, which could be caused by a number of things, and you can typically hear the starter kick on when it's working properly. Now, if you hear clicking sounds from the starter similar to a rattle, it usually means the battery is damaged or lost a cell or two. In some cases, a worn out drive gear in the starter would cause some grinding noises. After so many years, they do tend to just fail and give out. There are a ton of starters flooding the market, but what you want to keep an eye out for is whether or not they're actually remanufactured ones and not really brand new. Now, this PA Performance option is 100% new direct replacement for your stock one, and it works so much better. No remanufactured parts here, nothing used but certified as like new condition. This way you know you're getting your money's worth with a part that's actually lasting you for years and years to come without having to rebuild or remanufacture a starter after starter after starter. This one comes with everything you need too. You might just find a solenoid or a motor lying around on the internet, but you get everything pre-assembled in one package and it's a time saver from PA Performance. Now, the complete package here runs at just about 130 bucks, which is a good price in my opinion, especially since you can expect your truck to start up after one crank, cold weather or warm. The startup is pretty consistent considering the higher torque rating with this particular one here, which makes a huge difference. The customers even say it's quieter at startup as well. Now, in addition, you'll get a manufacturer lifetime warranty in case of any defects. Now the installation is relatively simple with a truck, but you'll probably take about 2 hours or so from start to finish if it's your first time, which is why I'm giving it a soft 2 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. It can be slightly tricky for first timers, but just have a ratchet and socket set on deck with a number of varying extensions to help with those hidden bolts. Alright guys, that just about wraps this one up. So if you're the owner of a 99 to 04 4.6 liter or 5.4 liter F-150, you might want to check out the PA Performance high output starter, which you can find right here at AmericanTrucks.com.